Christmas all season long means if you've ever been concerned about the creeping of Christmas, you might be surprised to learn that there is at least one place in the world that doesn't mind celebrating Christmas very early on and, in fact, takes great joy in doing so. If you've ever been concerned about Christmas creep, you might be surprised to learn that it's possible that no other country has a Christmas season that lasts as long as it does in the Philippines, but it's quite unlikely. The bulk of the people who call these group of islands home are devout Catholics, and the celebration takes the concept of seasonal creep to a level that is well above what we were expecting. From September through December, the months that end in those three letters are collectively referred to as the BR months in the Philippines, since Christmas celebrations continue during this time period. It is not unheard of to find Halloween decorations displayed in the store right next to the Christmas trees. The festivities continue right up until Epiphany, which ends on January 6 this year. The majority of Philippine traditions date back to the time when the country was under Spanish colonial rule, which lasted from 1521 until 1898. This is true in the traditions of the Catholic faith, as well as in the terminology used during this time of year. Spanish is the origin of a significant portion of the world's most frequently used vocabulary. Others are components of the national language of the Philippines, Tagalog, which is spoken by the majority of the population. These are the terms you need to know to comprehend Christmastime in the Philippines, from the cherished dinners to the distinctive gifts that people exchange with one another.